if I were to build a amusement park, yes, I will build one because it has a lot of profit.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Darsh. How are you?
I am well, and how about you?
I'm also doing great, Darsh. So, this is our first session together, right?
Yes, we are meeting for the first time.
Great, great. So, give me an
Uh,
introduction about yourself, Darsh.
my name is Darsh, and I'm from Haryana, but I'm currently living in Maharashtra because my father has a job over here, and I study in seventh grade, and my age is 12. And can you give your short introduction?
Yes, yes, definitely. So, my name is Divyansh. I'm from Delhi, which is kind of close to Haryana. I think it's just like the neighboring state. But I'm not living in Maharashtra. I'm living in Delhi only. And yeah, I've been teaching here on Clapingo for 5, 6 months now. And yeah,
So, do you have a guess on how many classes would you have taken, like from 2 to 3 months now? 5 or 6, you said just.
there's actually a count on Clapingo for that. I think it's 2000 something now.
Oh my goodness, 2000 classes.
That's
So,
right.
there
That's
would
right.
be like 14, 15 class a day.
I'm doing somewhere on that. Yeah.
So, what
Great.
is your hobby, by the way?
I like to play guitar. I like music in
Okay.
general, like singing, playing guitar, music production, and I also like to paint. So I think, can you tell me what this is? Can you see this painting?
Oh, yes, it's a Hulk's painting.
That's right. So you also watch Marvel movies, huh?
Not really.
Sometimes.
Very rarely. Like, I haven't seen a single Marvel movie, but I have, the trailers, the ads, and just from gathering information from my friends and all of those cartoons, animations, and you know, you, you get an idea of the character. So,
That's great.
and and my hobby is to read books, play badminton, and yes, these are my hobbies.
So what kind of books do you read?
So mostly I read storybooks, sometimes science books, and yes, novels, magazines, newspaper. Just
So like massive variety of books that you read. That's good. And course books? Do you read course books also?
pardon, please.
Course books, the books that you get in your course from school. Do you read that then as well?
Oh yes, I do read.
Okay, okay. So you're in class 7 right now, eh?
Yes, I'm in class 7th.
So what's your favorite subject as of now?
Oh, my favorite subject is SST.
Hey, okay. Like what are things you like about SST?
Civics, geography, history, they all are like very easy subjects. I think some children feel like it's very hard because you have to learn big answers, but it's not like that. You just have to like get a little idea on what happened in that kind of in that particular time, and then you just get the idea about it, and yes, it's easy, and you just make a summary and those all. So yes, I think it's pretty easy. And like math, science, yes, it's a good subject. I like them too. So
Okay. And when you have free time, what do you do then?
I in my free time I usually like watch TV, play video games, use the computer, and play chess.
Okay. Oh, you also play chess. What video games do you play?
But
Which video games do you play?
mostly Call of Duty Mobile and like very the just that, nothing else.
Minecraft or something?
No, no.
Uh, Tried Minecraft ever?
I used to play Minecraft, but not now.
Okay. So right now you're playing Call of Duty mostly.
Yes. So, do you play any
Okay.
video games?
I played Call of Duty a lot, but on PC. On phone, I've played like a little bit of Free Fire. And yeah, that's it.
So does was it Call of Duty Mobile on the PC?
No, no, it was the PC version. Call of Duty.
Okay, okay.
Mhm.
Ma- So
That's great.
do you do any job except Clapingo?
No, not like a job, but besides Clapingo, I also have my own home tuitions going on. And when I have free time, I also make music sometimes.
Okay, so do you have a YouTube channel based on music?
I have a Spotify profile. Do you use Spotify?
Yes, I do use Spotify.
Great, great. So I'm writing my name down in the chat so you can search. All right.
Okay. Yes,
Hmm.
right.
Hmm. So you should be able to see
Chat.
the note.
Yes. It's a pretty weird name. Is um
Can you pronounce that? Can you pronounce that?
uh it's really hard for me to pronounce. It's
No,
like
it's too simple.
Alpha Rex.
It's Alpha Rex.
Alpha Rex, okay.
Hmm. It sounds like a gaming name, like a gaming
No,
username.
not really. It sounds like a dinosaur name to me.
Uh, because it has Rex. That's why.
Yes, the T-Rex and the
Uh,
Alpha Rex. So the
uh,
Alpha Rex is a new breed of dinosaur and they are
yes,
fighting.
could be. Maybe I'll also grow a tail someday. Maybe. All right. So today's topic, Darsh, is make your own amusement park. Okay. So if you
Like
had to make your own amusement park, what all rides and what all things would you include in that?
amusement park. Mm,
Have you been to amusement park?
no.
But you would have seen it, right? Photos or videos somewhere.
Yes, I think like the giant wheel, the
Mm-hmm.
dinosaurs, and all of those must be there, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if I were to build an amusement park, yes, I will build one because it has a lot of profit.
Oh, right. That's true. That's true.
So
Really
because
commerce oriented person. Right. You definitely build one. That's great. Oh, would you
so
like to build a gaming room as well?
yes, I will surely build a arcade with every type of game running in it. You can come like put a coin inside of the arcade machine and then play a game. But it won't run the old games like the chimpanzee throwing
Donkey Kong. It was Donkey Kong.
yes, Monkey Kong, and then
Yeah,
the
Donkey
race
Kong.
game. Donkey
It's Donkey Kong.
Kong. Donkey Kong.
Although there's a monkey in that, but still it's called the Donkey
Donkey Kong. Okay, so
Kong.
it's weird, but yes, I would like to like build my own arcade, a whole um system of fun, and that it will be a big land, to be honest. About
Mhm.
it will cost around uh, uh, uh,
A lot.
10 crores easily. It will be a
Just
big
for a
land.
okay, just for the room, or are you talking about the amusement park?
No, it will just for the room.
Just for the gaming room, that would cost 10 crores.
No, not just for the gaming room, the whole amusement park it will be. And
Mhm.
the building cost, the amusement
Um,
park building cost will be around the
mhm.
very high cost, and
Mhm.
the profit is also good, so it is beneficial.
That's true. That's true.
So what would you do if you had a chance to build a amusement park?
I would definitely keep a roller coaster there because I have never been in a roller coaster. And if I have my own roller coaster, then I can go in that like every day.
Oh,
Yeah,
so yes, you are the owner, so you don't have to pay anything to play,
exactly.
right?
Have you played an arcade? Have you played an arcade before?
I dreamed of playing in an arcade, but I have played like many games, so it's not like much of a big deal to me. If
Mhm.
I Yes, I have went to a arcade, but it's not a proper arcade. It's like a kids machine where you like a grabbing hook where you just like do
Mhm.
the thing and then you grab the toy and then you those are
What did
stuff,
you pick
and
up?
then I pick a little Mickey Minnie Mouse.
That's cool. Do you still have it?
Yes, I have it, but I
That's
don't
great.
know where it's been thrown away. So
Mhm.
it's
So
in
when
my
was it?
house. It's in my house. It was about 1 month ago I saw it. So I don't know where it is because my little sister is always playing with that Minnie Mouse, and then it's a problem because she throws it away
Mhm.
when
That's
the
cool.
work is done.
Minnie Mouse is lost now. It's gone.
But it's a thing that if you play many like the foreign arcades, you will realize that they give you tickets in exchange of the
Mhm.
in exchange of like if you win the game. So
Mhm.
that tickets, if you collect enough tickets to get uh, a whole Oculus with the help of the tickets, and then you just have to put like $5 in it because there are big games which give you big amount of tickets. And what happened? A person, uh, a person won a Oculus, and then yes, he got one. So whenever I like see foreign videos, I am like,
Mhm.
I'm like, how are they so rich? Just and especially Mr. Beast destroying
Mhm.
phones. Okay,
He's very
just
rich. He's like insanely rich.
I don't know, man. I'm saying he like imagine this is um iPhone 14 Pro Max. He's like
Okay.
he's just
He just does that.
he like it does not even matter to him. And
Mhm.
like I am thinking that why do you throw that? Give it to me, you you mad people.
That's true.
I don't know the word
Okay.
to say. Um
Hmm.
uh
He just gives away random money as well, right? To people like
yes,
10K or
so
something. No? So he has.
once what I did, I did that I was sitting on my couch thinking that if I grow up, I will get a job near Mr. Beast, so he will call me and I will get infinite money. Yay!
Oh, infinite money glitch.
So it
That's
was
cool.
like that. I was sitting on my couch and then suddenly this came to my mind, and it's very funny to think about that. Staying
Mhm.
near Mr. Beast, you don't have to be working. You are just like a rich person which is
Mhm.
getting millions of dollars just keeping hand on the car. So the videos, all of those. Um, so it's
Okay,
like
okay. A
that.
little bit of correction. Wait, wait. That's a little bit of correction. You said you are a rich person, which is getting millions of dollars. Okay. So instead of which, we'll use who because it's a person. Yeah. So we'll say you're a rich person who is getting millions of dollars. Okay. Great. So would you also like to start a YouTube channel someday?
I have one actually.
Hey, oh, that's cool. What is that? I'd love to check it out.
Um, yes, its name is Darsh English Master. DARSH English Master.
Ah, okay. You have put exercises here.
What?
Okay, there are also Clapingo videos as well.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
that's
you
cool.
are also going to be going on that YouTube channel. So you will be
Hey,
popular.
oh my God, you're giving me this golden opportunity, Darsh, to be a star on your channel.
Yes. Like it's not even a golden opportunity. It's good for you and for me
That's true.
also.
It's good for my growth, you know.
Yes, you will become famous on Clapingo. Then everybody will book you for a class, and then you will be all out. All the timings will be reserved, and the and you will be very happy because you have a lot of classes.
Mhm. That will be great. So what do you want to become when you grow up, Dash?
A software engineer.
Why?
Yes, because I like computeristics.
Ah, that's great. So do
So
you code?
I am learning JavaScript, and so it's on my PC. I have a PC, so
Mhm.
I'm learning JavaScript and all of those, and it's good. I'll I always learn something. Then it helped me in my YouTube channel, so I wanna become a software engineer, developer.
That's cool. And you are just 12 years old, right?
Yes.
And you're learning JavaScript. Oh, very. That's crazy. That's crazy. Harsh. Oh, Dash. What
So
else?
what do you wanna become? Or
I don't think I will grow up more, but I want
no?
to be a music producer. That would be the one.
Okay,
Like,
music producer, the beat,
that,
who creates the beat of the music,
that's right. That's right.
like this.
What kind of music do you listen to, Dash?
Um, foreign music mostly. Sometimes Hindi music, and yes, mostly foreign music.
Okay. Which artist or which song?
Like do I categorize the like the songs, or just tell it the name of the song?
You can tell the name. Anything.
So I usually listen to Prims, and to to just Prims.
Prince.
Prims.
Prince. Okay. I haven't heard of that. It's a band or what?
No, it's not a band. It's like, and to BTS. Yes.
BTS as well. Okay. So you're one of the army people.
No.
Not
I
really.
just listen to them because the music is great.
That's true. Some of the
Even though
songs are
I
pretty good.
even though I don't understand the lyrics, but it's good.
Hmm, that's true. That's true. Okay,
So
Darsh, session is
what?
about to end.
Okay.
I have a
Yes.
little bit of feedback. Okay.
Yes.
I did notice a lot of mistakes there. Grammatically, most of the time you're correct. Okay, so that's a very good thing. What can be improved a little bit, Darsh, is the vocab that you're using. Okay, you can
Okay.
use better words while you're speaking. Okay, but other than that, Darsh, everything else is on point. Pronunciation, sentence formation, grammar, everything else is good. All right, great. And I
Okay.
literally can't believe you're just 12 years old. It's like quite surprising to me.